Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to remove and replace the turn signal bulb located in the tail light on your 2016 Subaru Outback. We've got these replacement LED bulbs from Oxito, and these are going to be a pretty nice upgrade. We did a video on how to change the front ones. Now I'm going to show you how to change the back. These are a direct replacement for 7443 and 7440. So to get started here to replace this, we simply have to remove this cover located right here. And to do so, we have a number 2 Phillips screwdriver where we're going to undo these plastic push pins. Just simply unscrew them and grab the center and pull the center out. And then just give it a little wiggle. The whole clip should pop out like so. Do the same thing for the bottom, and then this plastic cover should just come right off. You might need to use a trim tool or a flathead screwdriver of some sort and just work your way around the panel to try to get this to disengage. Once disengaged, move that off to the side. And then we've got a couple screws located right here that need to come out. These are a 10mm screw. You could also use a Phillips screwdriver if you want to try to loosen those off. Once the screws are removed, we need to slide the light straight back. There's a locating dowel that's up here. So the whole light assembly needs to just come straight back. So I'm just going to try to do this. So that was pretty simple, no problem, came right back. Now, a lot of times, so there's another one, actually there's two. If this gets really stuck on there, it's not a big deal. You can just put some tape on here, a couple of strips of duct tape just to give yourself something to pull and get that off. Or if you have a second person, they can push while you're pulling here. Anyways, so here we go. We've got a couple lights. There is a marker light that's on this side, but we're after the turn signal. So just simply turn this counterclockwise. There's our single filament amber bulb. You're going to pull the bulb straight out, and then we're going to install these. All right, so here's the bulb in question. Simply line this up and press this into place. This is a pretty nice construction. It's aluminum housing, and it's got a cooling fan built into the very end of it to keep everything nice and cool. Simply slide this into the housing and line up those locating tabs on the side of the socket. Turn this clockwise until it locks into place. At this time, we're actually going to show you how to remove and replace this marker light as well. So this is a 194 clear bulb. Simply pull this straight out, and then we're going to grab a replacement LED one and stick it in there. All right, we take our bulb, put it in there. Now, if it doesn't light up, you're gonna have to just turn it 180 degrees and put it in. These are polarity sensitive. So what I like to do is just put it in, and before you assemble everything, just go ahead and turn the light switch on and make sure that it does light up before you go to install this. Once you get it in the correct position, you're going to simply drop the socket into the lens. Make sure that all the locating tabs on the socket fit into the lens, then turn it clockwise to lock it into place. Once that's all done, you'll be able to simply set the lens back onto the body and carefully line everything up so that those locating plastic clips line up with the lens assembly. Push it into place, and the holes here for the bolts should line up. So just simply grab the bolts and we'll start those. Snug those down. And then you're ready to install the plastic cover with the push pins that go back in. Carefully line this up, pop it into place, make sure the fitment's all good. Grab your pins. With the pin out, it's going to allow the bottom to collapse to pass through the hole. Then just simply push these into place. And they should sit flush like that. Now let's close the tailgate and we'll see what everything looks like. These things are super bright and crisp. Also, when they flash, they're very sharp on and off compared to A regular halogen bulb, that's a little more, it's a little dull, but also it's a soft on and off. The marker light looks pretty good. I would say it's, you know, not too much of a difference, but it is noticeably brighter. So if you want some of these, check the link in the description. And if you have any questions, throw them in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.